Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, going to show you how you can screen record on an iPad. So first up here, just need to open your settings on your iPad. Now you need to enable the screen recording. So go to Control Center, and here you'll find an options where you can add the screen recording to your Control Center. So the only way here, just need to tap on the plus icon to be able to add this control to your control center. So for example, like that, and then it will automatically add it to your control center. So if you're going to open and swipe down your control center, there you will find the red dot, which is the screen recorder. And then once you tap on that, you'll find the screen recording icon at the top right, meaning that you're currently recording your screen. And once done, it will automatically save to your photos. But that's all. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video.